Hello guys, this is Paul. Today I will show you how to use FeatBit for feature target audience release. In this demo, I will use FeatBit to create a new flag called custom report, which will return true for client IDs 0001 and 0002, while serving false for all other clients. Here are three ways to achieve this. The first is using individual targeting. Second one is using targeting rules. The third one is using segments. I demonstrate this in an ASP.NET Core project. In the program.js file, I need to introduce the FeatBit SDK on the first line. Then at line 11, I initialize the FeatBit dependency injection service with the environment secret and the evaluation URLs. And we go to the custom reports API controller and add the feature flag code in the get report action. At line 15, I create a FeatBit user based on API request body data. I assign the client ID as the user ID and client name as the user ID name, and so on. At line 20, I added the feature flag code for the custom report flag, assigning it to the user I just created and setting the default value to false. If the feature flag returns true for the given client, the API will return string true for the client ID. Otherwise, the API will return the not found error. We go to the FeatBit dashboard, specifically the custom report feature flag page. In the first method, within the individual targeting section, I can add clients 001 and 002 to the true section. If a user doesn't exist in the system yet, you can create a new user. Then click the Save button to apply the new rule. It's okay, but don't forget turn on the feature toggle here to enable the right side panel. So it's well configured. We need to start our ASP.NET project, and we also need to open our Postman, and we tap the URL of the API we just created, and we pass the user information here, and we click on send. You see that it returns true because we just add these two users in this section. But if I change the user details, I maybe give it a 3, client 3, I click on send button, and it is return not found. This is just what we expected the feature flag give us. That's cool. And next one, I will show you another way to configure the feature flag. So we will remove it. Okay. We click on save button. Okay, let's update the configures on the right side panel, and with the same client information we just passed here. We click send, and we got not found. This is cool. This is correct. Okay. So the second way that we will configure the configuration is the set the configuration. Sorry, we can use the targeting rules here. For 001 and the 2 users. Here I can click on the key ID because we assign the user ID as a key ID in our code. We say it's one off. Maybe 0001 and 0002. Here we can configure as true also. We save the button. Then we go here, and with the same user, we click send button. We get right response. And if I change to second user, I click on button. Okay, that's also correct. If I give it another user, 01, it's not found. Whatever name is here, we just see the ID passed, and here and in the code base here. Right? Okay. This is the second method that we can just do the same thing like the first method. And another way is to use segment, because sometimes we just have a group of users that we predefined and used by other many feature flags like QA team, something like that. So I will delete this configuration and save, and to be sure that the configure is validated. So it should be return a not found page. Okay, it's cool. So I will go to the segments page here and click on add button to make a test 01 and 2 test group. Here I click on save and go into this detail page. I can just configure the right panel as what we configured in the feature flag page. So here I will make it something simple. What? Yeah, we just created here, and I delete this rule. I click on button save and review. Okay, I go back to the feature flag custom report. Here, what I will do is just reusable segment. I can if user is in segment of what we just this segment name, I will let feature flag return true. Okay, I click on save button and click on save. We go back to the postman here. It should return the OK action with the string true for client 0001. It's correct. If I also change our client information to be to another client, I could send. It gave a return for a not found error. This is 3 ways we used to demonstrate how to use FeatBit for feature target audience release. If you have any questions about it, just send me a message, send me an email. I will very happy to help you solve the problem.